kids! Are you ready to go on an alphabet adventure? Today, we're going to learn our ABCs with a fun and catchy song. So get ready to sing along and have a great time. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. Let's learn them all. D is for dog, E is for ear, F is for frog, G is for gear. A, B, C, come sing with me. We're learning letters joyfully. D, E, F, and G, we're free to explore the alphabet with glee. H is for hat, I is for ice, J is for jam, K is for kite. Let's learn them all. L is for lion, M is for moon, N is for nest, O is for owl. A, B, C, come sing with me. We're learning letters joyfully. D, I, J, and K so bright. L, M, N, and O take flight to explore the alphabet with glee. P is for parrot, Q is for queen, R is for rabbit, S is for snake. Let's learn them all. T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for vegetable, W is for whale. A, B, C, come sing with me. We're learning letters joyfully. P, Q, R, and S so bright. T, U, V, and W take flight to explore the alphabet with glee. X is for Xmas, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. Let's learn them all. A, B, C, come sing with me. We're learning letters joyfully. X, Y, Z, and K so bright to explore the alphabet with glee. Great job, kids! You sang the alphabet beautifully. Remember to practice your ABCs every day, and